Hello everyone, welcome back to Toys channel. Today I'm going to show you the rest of the Hot Toys figurines that I haven't shown you guys. So welcome back to part 2.
Alright guys, today we'll be having a close-up look at the Hot Toys Iron Strange figure. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Marvel, Demon Slayer, Hot Toys, vlogs, Pokemon, PS5, Switch and other stuff that I like. As a concept art figure, this is a pretty badass figure. As you can see, it has the qualities of Iron Man and Doctor Strange, and this hybrid figure looks super awesome, especially the energy sentries that floats behind the figure's back, and it sits super well with the magic pieces that Doctor Strange uses in blue. For the suit itself, you can see the chest piece is now centered with Doctor Strange's Time Stone neck piece motif instead of Tony Stark's arc reactor, which definitely looks interesting and needs more time to get used to this idea. The design sits on the Mark 50 side, with the streamlined gold parts being a subtle complement to the overall red, and it looks as great as other red Iron Man suits. For the head sculpt, you do have the slight battle damage head sculpt for Doctor Strange here, and sculpt is fine, but when this head sculpt is being stuck on an Iron Man body, my eyes still need some time for adjustments. I have no idea what would have happened if they actually used this concept for the actual movie. Mind blowing for sure, but also would be strange to see. For the accessories, you have the usual additional hands with different gestures, blasters, blue magic pieces, as well as the translucent orange portal piece, which should be really fun to play around with. Overall, I do like this figure and would be very interested to stick Tony Stark's head sculpt onto it and see him use magic instead.
And that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, Demon Slayer, Hot Toys, Marvel, Pokemon, etc, etc. So see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!